When it comes to enhancing your Southlake home's exterior, lighting plays a critical role in setting the tone and creating an inviting atmosphere. One of the most effective ways to elevate your home's aesthetic appeal is by incorporating outdoor LED Soffit lighting. These lights, installed along the underside of eaves or overhangs, not only provide practical illumination but also transform the appearance of your home. Whether you're looking to improve curb appeal or create a beautiful outdoor ambiance, LED Soffit lighting is an excellent investment. In this article, we'll explore how outdoor LED Soffit lighting can significantly enhance the aesthetic appeal of Southlake homes and provide numerous benefits, including energy efficiency, versatility, and design flexibility. Accentuates architectural features. One of the primary ways outdoor LED Soffit lighting enhances your home's aesthetic appeal is by highlighting and accentuating the architectural features of your property. Whether you have a traditional, modern, or contemporary design, Soffit lighting can add depth and dimension to your home's exterior, drawing attention to unique details like eaves, rooflines, and facades. Architectural focal points. Soffit lighting illuminates the upper portions of your home, highlighting rooflines and other distinctive features. This creates an elegant and visually striking effect, especially when paired with architectural elements like columns, windows, and decorative trims. Soft, even lighting. The soft and even glow produced by LED Soffit lights eliminates harsh shadows, enhancing the visual appeal of your home's exterior. This even distribution of light creates a warm and welcoming ambiance, making your home stand out in a subtle yet sophisticated way. Increases curb appeal. First impressions matter, and the exterior of your home plays a significant role in how it's perceived by guests, neighbors, and potential buyers. Outdoor LED Soffit lighting adds a refined touch to your home's exterior, boosting its curb appeal and making it more inviting, especially at night. Enhanced visibility. When installed around eaves or other prominent sections of the exterior, Soffit lights provide gentle illumination that enhances your home's visual presence. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply want to showcase your property's beauty, these lights will make your home stand out, day or night. Elegant lighting design. LED Soffit lights come in a variety of designs and can be customized to suit your home's style. The sleek, modern appearance of these lights ensures they complement your home's design, adding a stylish and high-end look to your property. Energy efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Another key reason to consider outdoor LED Soffit lighting is their energy efficiency. Traditional lighting options like halogen or incandescent lights consume more energy, which can add up on your utility bills. LED lights, on the other hand, are known for their low energy consumption while still providing bright, effective illumination. Lower energy bills. LEDs use up to 80% less energy than traditional bulbs, allowing you to keep your lights on for longer periods without significantly affecting your electric bill. In addition, LEDs produce minimal heat, making them safer to use around outdoor structures. Longer lifespan. LED lights are designed to last significantly longer than traditional light bulbs. With an average lifespan of up to 25,000 hours, LED Soffit lights don't need frequent replacements, making them a cost-effective solution for homeowners in Southlake who want to enjoy long-lasting lighting with minimal maintenance. Improves nighttime aesthetic. One of the most noticeable impacts of outdoor LED soffit lighting is the dramatic transformation it creates during the evening hours. As the sun sets and your home transitions from daylight to darkness, soffit lighting helps maintain its beauty by adding a soft, atmospheric glow that can create a magical look. Illuminating outdoor spaces. Soffit lighting is ideal for enhancing patios, porches, and other outdoor spaces. It creates a welcoming environment for evening gatherings and provides just enough light to make your home feel cozy and inviting while maintaining a peaceful ambiance. Subtle and stylish glow. Unlike harsh floodlights or streetlights, LED soffit lighting provides a gentle wash of light that doesn't overwhelm the senses. It enhances the natural beauty of your home's architecture without being overly bright, allowing your home to maintain an elegant and understated appeal. Customizable design flexibility. Another advantage of outdoor LED soffit lighting is its versatility in design. You can customize the lighting to fit your home's unique architecture and your personal style preferences. Whether you're looking for a subtle, modern glow or a vibrant, festive display, LED soffit lights offer a wide range of design options. Color options. LED soffit lights are available in various colors, from classic white to warm amber, cool blue, and more. This allows you to tailor the lighting to complement the exterior color scheme of your home or match the seasonal decor, creating an ever-changing visual display. Control options. Many modern LED soffit lighting systems come with dimming capabilities, allowing you to adjust the brightness of the lights depending on the occasion. Some systems can even be controlled via smartphone apps, enabling you to change the lighting from the palm of your hand. Low maintenance. LED soffit lighting systems are designed to be low maintenance, meaning they require little upkeep once installed. Unlike traditional lights that may burn out quickly or need frequent bulb replacements, LED lights are built for durability and longevity. Weather resistant. LED soffit lights are also weather resistant, meaning they can withstand the elements, including rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, making them ideal for Southlake's climate. No frequent replacements. With a lifespan of up to 25 years, these lights rarely need replacing, which saves you time and money in the long run. Conclusion. Outdoor LED soffit lighting offers Plano homeowners a perfect combination of aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, and versatility. By illuminating key architectural features, enhancing curb appeal, and providing a beautiful nighttime ambiance, these lights can transform the exterior of your home into something truly spectacular. Whether you're looking to add a touch of sophistication, create a cozy outdoor space, or simply lower your energy costs, LED soffit lighting is an investment that will provide lasting value and beauty for years to come.